Hello, my lovely. Today we are making the easiest, quickest, absolutely delicious puff puff using my homemade instant puff puff mix powder. So come on in and let's do this. I hope you are doing amazing. Start by combining all these dry ingredients together. So that was self-raising flour that I added first, and that was followed by sugar, and now I have just poured in some freshly grated nutmeg. So go ahead and mix all these ingredients very well so that everything is evenly distributed. Just like that, it is done. It is easy to put together. Anybody can do this. For storage, you want to grab an airtight container. Yeah, so put everything in and close it tightly and then leave it in your pantry or cupboard, and this can store for weeks. For when you want a quick snack, or for those days that you just can't wait to have a puff puff to go with your cocoa. Yes, so just put it aside and let's assume we are making puff puff the next day. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can quickly mix this perfectly and quickly to do just that. I'm going for 2 cups of no yeast instant puff puff mix powder that we've just made. You only need to add your wet ingredients to this and it is ready to be fried. Right, lovely. So you will need some evaporated milk as well as water, half and half. So go ahead and just pour everything onto the flour. I will leave all the measurements in the description box for you as always. So please be sure to check it out. After the water has been poured in, go in and give it a good old mix. And neither are we going for a very light or thick dough, but somewhere in between the two, just like how it should be. Yes, so go ahead and continue to mix until there are no lumps in the dough, and for good measure, beat it on the side of the bowl for a few seconds and soon it will be sticky, nice and smooth. And this is how we are going to be scooping the dough onto the hot oil. Just scoop it and swirl it around to smoothen it out, and then go ahead and drop it like this. Hello, thank you so very much for stopping by to watch. If you are a new subscriber, oh, I really do appreciate you. But if you are just stopping here as a visitor, please make sure to subscribe with your notification bell on to receive all future uploads. Now go ahead and drop them in, and as soon as the heat kicks in the baking powder in the self-raising flour, it will start to float and also increase in size. Look how easy and quick it is to put this together, and it looks just fine, just like the regular ones. And don't get me wrong, it is a fact that the good old traditional way of making puff puff is so absolutely delicious, no doubt about that. But this is for when you are just in a hurry and you want your puff puff quick and easy. And trust me, it tastes so good you are going to be surprised. At this stage, it is almost ready, my lovely. Yes, so go ahead and get your Owusuaa cocoa ready as well, or anything that you're having this with, because you simply cannot wait. So this is what we have now. If you are looking for a quick, easy puff puff without waiting and without yeast, then this one is definitely for you. Be sure to give it a go, and I'm going to open one for you to see how it is on the inside as well. I'm going to go ahead and fry the last batch, but please don't forget to leave a like on the page. Like this video please if you don't mind, and share with your friends and family so we can all enjoy this quick, easy puff recipe. Thank you ever so much. Look, it is soft to touch. If you happen to leave some for the next day, be sure to pop it in the microwave for a few seconds for it to bounce back and give you that soft, nice texture. So thank you for watching, for staying with me until the end. I do appreciate you. Thank you so very much, and I hope to see you again in my next video. Until then, take care and stay blessed. Bye bye.